Hello guys, imagine you are looking for a light electric tricycle that can give you freedom of the movement, ideal for city driving, daily tasks, or even as auxiliary means of transportation during recovery. Today I present you one such device that surprised us more than we expected. TopMate ES35 electric tricycle with a removable battery, foldable design and LED screen, and even reverse driving function. One of the more interesting means of transportation we had the opportunity to test, so be sure to watch this TopMate ES35 Electric Trike video review. TopMate ES35 comes in a box of total weight of about 17 kilograms. Seems quite reasonably considering that it is an electric vehicle with a solid aluminum frame and additional equipment. When you open the box, everything looks neatly organized and protected. The package contains the tricycle itself, which comes in a folded form but without the wheels, which are separated for safety during transport. Then there is AC charger with the appropriate EU power outlet, an accessory in the form of a front light with a beeper, a practical set of tools that we will use for assembly, use a manual that is quite clear and easy to understand. The assembly took about 20 minutes, including a quick look of the manual, and we are already out with our electric trike. As you can see, it also comes with this practical bag in the package where you can store your things or small items from shopping. Useful, but we will remove it for now. At the first glance, the TopMate ES35 gives the impression of a vehicle that is designed for riding pleasure, not just for getting from point A to point B. Its low sitting position gives the rider a sense of complete control, while the wide and stable foot platforms allow the feet to rest naturally without straining even during longer rides. The frame itself is made of a durable aluminum, and the shape of the rear axle, which is extended to almost 20 inches, provides additional stability when cornering and drives on uneven surfaces. The seat takes center stage of the comfort story. It's soft, well padded and covered with a non-slip material, but what sets this tricycle apart from many others in this class is a built-in shock absorber system. Under the seat is a spring that acts like a small shock absorber, dampening vibrations and bumps coming from the road. When you go over a curb or crack in asphalt, the spring together with the pneumatic tires takes some of this load, turning a potential unpleasant joint into a gentle sway. It means less fatigue, more comfort and the ability to enjoy driving longer without feeling discomfort in the lower back. Another advantage of the TopMate ES35 is the practicality of folding. It is not just a tricycle can be folded, but the entire mechanism is designed so that you can fold it with one hand in just a few seconds. When folded, it becomes compact enough to fit in the trunk of any car, and its light weight of around 16 kilograms means you can take it up to the stairs or place in a public transportation without any problems. In this combination of ease of handling and compactness that makes the perfect partner for people who live in the city, travel often, or simply want a vehicle that can store without taking up a lot of space. When you add it all up, a stable axle, a comfortable and adjustable suspension seat, pneumatic tires and a quick folding feature, the TopMate ES35 provides a sense of freedom but also security. You can ride it relaxed, knowing that every bump in the road will be cushioned, and when the ride is over, you can put it away almost as quickly as you set it in motion. All the main controls are located on the steering wheel of the tricycle, and the layout is designed so that everything is within easy reach of the driver and intuitive to use. On the right side is a streamlined around LCD screen that displays real-time speed, battery status and total mileage, and the data remains clearly visible even when the sun is bright. Right next to it is the R button, which enables easy switching from forward to reverse. This function comes in especially handy when maneuvering in tight spaces, and the maximum reverse speed is about 4 km per hour, which is enough for safe movement without sudden jerks. On the right side there is a key for starting the tricycle by turning in on the on position. The vehicle is activated and the screen comes to life. When it's off position, the tricycle is turned off and the battery is physically locked, which reduces the risk of theft. Under the key is the handle of the throttle, a classic electric accelerator that enables precise control of acceleration. On the left side of the steering wheel is a speed selector switch divided into 3 stages. The first speed allows for easy movement at around 5 km per hour, perfect for riding in tight spaces or in crowds. The second speed allows balance between safely and dynamic at around 11 km per hour. While the third speed unleashes the tricycle full potential, reaching up to 24 km per hour. On the left side of the steering wheel is a handbrake, which is easy and effective to use. An additional advantage is the ability to activate the parking function that blocks the wheels so that the tricycle does not move when parked. The tricycle has a safe and stable braking system, which additionally ensures a calm and controlled ride without sudden jerks. That means that even at higher speeds or heavy loads, you do not lose the feeling of control. Braking remains safe and reliable. The battery of the tricycle is designed to be practical and easy to handle. Protected by a solid case that is resistant to all shocks and moisture. It is removable lithium-ion battery with capacity of 36 volts, 7.8 amp-hour. This battery allows driving autonomy between 25 to 30 km per charge. Charging takes approximately 3.5 hours when connected to the standard socket, which allows a practical and a quick refueling before returning to drive. The battery is replaceable. To remove it, just need to reach for the key that is part of the battery belt. Once unlocked, it simply slides out of the frame. This allows charging the tricycle outside the apartment, in the office, or even refreshing with the additional spare battery. Testing this tricycle was a real pleasure. What impressed me most was how stable this vehicle is. Even during the sharp turns or slight inclines, this tricycle behaves predictably and does not lose balance. Driving in reverse was extremely useful, gears are easily changed, and the engine power is sufficient for all urban driving needs. Even you drive up a slight incline, the engine will do it without stalling. The TopMate ES35 is not just a vehicle, it represents a new level of freedom of movement. It's ideal for everyone who wants a safe, practical and easy way of transportation around the city, for the elderly, people in recovery, but also for everyone who wants a simple and practical portable form of mobility. Everything else, from design, build quality, stability to battery life, is beyond expectations. And that's why I highly recommend it to anyone looking for something between electric scooter and a scooter with the added sense of safety and stability offered by 3 wheels. The official link to purchase and more information is in the video description. Hurry up and grab the TopMate ES35 Electric Tricycle today while you have a chance. If you like the review, leave a like, subscribe and click the bell for more reviews like this. See you soon in the next video review. Until then, stay safe and bye.